Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play Store something went wrong error. So if you are facing this type of the error on your Google Play Store, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So if you are facing this type of the error, first of all you have to check your internet connection is working well or not. If your internet connection is weak or maybe you don't have internet, you will see this type of the error. So first of all, make sure your internet connection is strong and it's working. And if this thing working, other way is that you can simply open your settings of your phone, go to the apps and the notification from here. Once you will do it, now from here you have to search for the app store. I simply go to the see all apps and scroll up, and here you have to search for the Google Play Store. So here is the Play Store settings. So from here you have to click on the storage and the cache. Once you will do it, from here you have to click on the clear cache and the storage and try to open your Play Store. It will working, and if it's not, simply restart your phone. And if still your problem is not fixed, drop a comment. I will find some other way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.